Welcome to Cars Updater, your trusted destination for the latest automotive reviews, updates, and in-depth coverage of the newest models across all segments. In this video, we take a closer look at the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus, a mid-size luxury SUV that redefines comfort, style, and technology in a bold new direction. The 2025 Lincoln Nautilus arrives with a complete redesign that makes a strong impression from every angle. Its exterior styling features a sleek, futuristic design with a wide, illuminated front grille, sharp LED headlights, and clean body lines that flow effortlessly from front to rear. The overall look is both elegant and aggressive, giving the Nautilus a commanding presence on the road. Powering the new Nautilus is a standard 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers around 250 horsepower. For drivers looking for more efficiency and power, Lincoln also offers a hybrid powertrain that pairs a 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor to produce approximately 310 combined horsepower. Both variants are mated to a continuously variable transmission, and all-wheel drive comes standard, providing smooth handling and confident performance in various driving conditions. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Nautilus sets a new benchmark for luxury and innovation. The interior is highlighted by a massive 48-inch panoramic display that stretches across the entire dashboard, combining the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless screen. The cabin is filled with high-end materials, including leather, real wood trim, and soft-touch surfaces. Available features include massaging seats, ambient lighting, a 28-speaker Revel audio system, and customizable cabin scents, all aimed at creating a first-class driving experience. Technology and safety are also at the forefront. The Nautilus is equipped with Lincoln BlueCruise, a hands-free driving system for compatible highways, along with the Lincoln Co-Pilot 360 suite of driver assistance features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system, ensuring both convenience and safety are prioritized. With its futuristic design, powerful yet efficient powertrain options, and a technology-rich interior, the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus stands out as a luxury SUV designed for modern drivers who value comfort, style, and cutting-edge innovation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Cars Updater so you stay updated with the newest reviews, features, and car comparisons. See you in the next video.